Christy, 2 people are in the hospital. This appears to be a batch.
Calls at 911 giving us insight into the frantic moments after shooting that left 1 person dead. And
one victim has died and another is still in the hospital.
Should be crazy, like. Everybody fucked up nowadays. Nobody knows where to go. Everybody seem lost. I say them foreigns I swerve and them niggas I lurk, and gunshots is just a sound of the night. Nigga ain't no time to get nervous, I do this for a purpose. It's either you gon' drown or you fight. I seen my niggas carry out in hearses, that shit'll really hurt you. I'm learning how to value my life, so I'ma leave it all in these verses. I know it ain't certain, but fuck a nigga, this is all that I got. I say them foreigns I swerve and them niggas I lurk, and gunshots is just a sound of the night. Nigga ain't no time to get nervous, I do this for a purpose. It's either you gon' drown or you fight. I see my niggas carry out in hearses, that shit'll really hurt you. I'm learning how to value my life, so I'ma leave it all in these verses. I know it ain't certain, but fuck a nigga, this is all that I got.
Crazy how I got some ops and I ain't even know it. These niggas envy low-key, come around and won't show it. I'd rather stack up all my chips than carry around on my shoulder. Sometimes a nigga wanna quit, but I can feel myself closer. Know my story, I roll my own wave, ain't never have to spin off a nigga. Ask Eddie Murphy, never stole nor bit off a nigga. I paint my pain, every track is just a digital picture. So if you going through some shit, trust me, I'm living it with you. I'm trying to elevate, I crop out who I'm fit in the picture. These niggas hella fake, back up think I need a little distance. My niggas sell it weight, but fuck it, just as long as you get it. Been trying to meditate, cause something about it hit a little different. Heard they kill my nigga, had me itching, had my feelings hurt. Guess it ain't about who real, I guess who's about to pull it first. Then I threw up when I seen you on a shirt. Now I don't trust no nigga, you got me riding round proud with it on the alert. Come around if your intentions ain't right. I can sense when your spirit ain't right. Can someone hold me down? This mouth just been in disguise. Be a whole lot of shit on my mind. So please don't come around if your intentions ain't right. I can sense when your spirit ain't right. Can someone hold me down? This mouth just been in disguise. Be a whole lot of shit on my mind. I say them foreigns I swerve and them niggas I lurk, and gunshots is just a sound of the night. Nigga ain't no time to get nervous, I do this for a purpose. It's either you gon' drown or you fight. I see my niggas carry out in hearses, that shit'll really hurt you. I'm learning how to value my life, so I'ma leave it all in these verses. I know it ain't certain, but fuck a nigga, this is all that I got. I say them foreigns I swerve and them niggas I lurk, and gunshots is just a sound of the night. Nigga ain't no time to get nervous, I do this for a purpose. It's either you gon' drown or you fight. I see my niggas carry out in hearses, that shit'll really hurt you. I'm learning how to value my life, so I'ma leave it all in these verses. I know it ain't certain, but fuck a nigga, this is all that I got.